Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at the Bone Shaker from Hot Wheels. This is part of the HW Daredevil series, number 7 of 10 from that series. And we can take a look at that card art, and that is fantastic. What a cool looking car. Really like this one. So Hot Wheels has been making the Bone Shaker for a long time, and there's so many different versions of it. There's a Super Treasure Hunt version. I think there's a regular Treasure Hunt version, and this is just a mainline version, but it is sharp. It's a really cool color. It's like a flat black with some nice flames, the skull on there, and lots of chrome and pipes and craziness. So I can't wait to get this one open. Okay, so here we have the Bone Shaker removed from its packaging, and we can see all that beautiful chrome. Looks really great. So let's take a look at that. We've got these huge pipes coming out both sides, just dumping exhaust out there, and then you've got the things on the top, not really sure, intakes or something poking out of the engine. So obviously there's 8 of them, so it's probably a V8 under there, and this chrome skull on the front, which looks amazing. Really cool. So this is an open wheel car, which means there's no fenders on it, which is a nice hot rod style. And looking at the side, we can see it's got that nice flat black paint, and then these great red and yellow flames, as well as the skull design on there. It's got the flames on the top of the hood as well. Looks really sharp. We turn it around the back. You see how big these back wheels are compared to the front ones. They're huge. If we look at the back, we can see some suspension bits and a big chrome gas tank in the back here. And if we look on this side, there's no skull design, but it does say Hot Wheels, which is really cool. I kind of like both sides. They're both interesting. And it has a really cool design to it. Nice chopped roof. This is a classic hot rod. This is probably one of my favorite Hot Wheels original castings. Looks so good. And this one is definitely a fast one for the track. And one thing I didn't remember to show you on the card art, and I'll just spin this in here, is this is actually from Forza Motorsport video game for Xbox. So this is featured in Forza Motorsport, and so this is the one that you can drive around in that game. So that's really cool. Well, thanks for watching our video, and if you like it, make sure you leave us a thumbs up or a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.